Balihua. When Blair Witch was out, did you know what I did up there? Did I tell you what I did?
Yeah.
With the slipper and the poi and
Yeah.
pokey on the top, and I tied it all and put it outside Willie's window.
Oh, no.
The back window, you know? Oh, it's classic.
Outside was our best studio. I mean,
Wow.
when the weather was right, no wind, and it was quiet. Outside, because the nearest neighbor was 5 miles away.
It was nice because none of the cell phones worked. Nothing worked at the studio.
Yeah, just focus.
So this song Avenue I wrote when I lived in Molokai, and it talks about the property that I lived on. And this style is super old style Hawaiian music with the ha'i in it. So
Yeah,
let's
nice.
just do it.
Let's
You ready?
give 'em. Let's
All
give
right.
'em. All right.
He aina ka maha o I ka lai He nani maoli Ka uhi o ka po makole Mana ale o ia ka hae O luma Me ka ua kili hau ke aloha no Vai ho ka hela O ka amola me o hianu Mai ke awanui ai ka malu ka lailoa Mana ale o ia ka hae o oluma Me ka ua kili hau ke aloha no Iha! Ke kaha o ka lailoa O la haia nei Ka hihi manu o ke kaiula Mana ale o ia ka hae o oluna Me ka ua kili hau ke aloha no Haina ia mai no ke awanui ai nā loha He nani maoli ka uhi o ka po mahole Mana ale o ia ka hae o oluma Me ka ua kili hau ke aloha no Haina ia mai no ke